Last night, as per tradition, I had a sleepover with one of my other family members in their cabin. First thing that morning, we went out to do a hike that had been a tradition almost every year. These are some of the views from the hike. Gorgeous views overlooking the lake and beautiful wildflowers. And we take a lot of family pictures up at the top. So here's one with me and Aunt.
Camp, Sawtooth National Forest and Wilderness. There's the lake. And there's the mountains. Sawtooth National Forest Camp. And I believe that's us looking at the lake. And here we have some wildflowers. Purple and yellow. Beautiful.
Before leaving, I took a chance to walk around and reminisce. It had been 19 years since I got to spend time here, and I didn't know when I would actually be able to be back. So I took in the river and the stream where we played, the bridge where Grandpa would give us 25 cents to dip our fully clothed bums every year, hanging on the side of the rails of the bridge. And we would do it every time, remembering which family stayed in which cabin, and us kids running wild outside.
And I'm right next to the lodge. And this is the caretaker. And the lodge and this massive piece of land.
And even just simple things like our lines to hang clothing after having been at Redfish Lake. And just us kids filling the area and the place looking so huge compared to what it is now. The campfires that we had all together and roasting marshmallows and making s'mores and laughing and singing and telling ghost stories. Sitting on the picnic tables when we would gather one time to have a big meal for everyone in the family all together, or another time when we would all catch fish and have a big fish dinner together. And my mom telling me to pee faster because she was scared of the bears. And how we would go on different hikes and take in the views and secret spots. It's amazing how much they let us have freedom to just race the creek up the whole way. And how nobody cared that we were gone that long. As long as we had a buddy. And this place just was such a beautiful part of our growing up because it was the thing we look forward to every year. And see all these trees that used to be here then, that were growing older just like me. Just beautiful moments floating around in all of these places. Was so wonderful to be able to take it in one more time.
So, quite a bit further now. But yay! Guys, waterfall is or watering hole is long gone, like the hot tub. But now we have a waterfall. Spanish Englishman.
And swinging while we wait for everybody to be ready to head on out. Another tradition. And going back to the lake that will forever have our hearts. We decided to get a group of us to swim out to that dock right there on the right. And the water, you won't see many people actually playing in the water because it's early June and the water is very cold. So we all got ourselves ready and then we all ran and swam till we got to the dock. And then once we got to the dock, we didn't want to get off the dock because the dock was warm. And we also got to see a whole bunch of fish hanging out right around the edges of the dock. But we got up the nerve and then we swam back quickly. Sadly, the inevitable happened, and it came time that we had to all say goodbye to our family and part ways. Me and Aunt and Uncle stopped in Stanley to get some lunch and took in the views of the Sawtooth Mountains and then headed back to the Idaho Mountains, putting the Sawtooths in our rearview mirror. With one quick detour.
Stanley Lake. We're gonna give you some rockin' and rollin'.
This is the best point that I've seen on